Hi YouTube, what's up?
What's
It's
up?
me, Kirby, and this is...
Yeah, I didn't forget my name this time.
And today is Wednesday, and Wednesday is...
Weekly YaK Wednesday. Oh yeah, got it. High five.
So we haven't been posting our regular videos for like a week or so now.
It's because we've been really busy, so...
There's so much stuff happening around us. We're really getting busy. We get one thing done, we film it and get it done. But then before we get a chance to edit that footage and post it on
We're
YouTube.
already doing another thing.
Exactly.
So in the next upcoming weeks, we're only going to be able to upload once a week.
One video a week.
That's sad.
It's not actually that bad because most YouTubers post one video a week anyway.
Enough of us talking. Y'all can catch up with what we've been up to in a few seconds. Free Palestine!
Thank you to everyone in Wudang West. Really awesome, nice, beautiful, super nice, very welcoming.
Yeah, oh my goodness, I wanna...
Really good people that we've just met that day. Dale and Brandy, what's
Hey,
up?
what up, Dale? Shout out Dale and Brandy.
Thank you so much for being nice and hosting us for the entire weekend.
Even though that wasn't planned, but thank you again for understanding.
So hopefully we'll be able to edit those videos and post them in the coming weeks.
For you all to see.
So if you like this video, thumbs up below. And hopefully you will still stick with us as we try to vlog our weeks,
Yes.
our days, our summer. And who knows, we might even continue this till fall. Yes.
Okay, so nice seeing y'all, nice catching y'all.
Bye!